Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time from Imalent. Now this here is their BL50. Now I was sent this by Imalent directly. They wanted me to test and review this new model of theirs. Comes in this box. So let's wait no further, let's open it up, see what's in. We had a lot of storms in our area that it caused a lot of damage, so haven't been able to really get out there and do night shots. So I'm doing the unboxing now, so hopefully we'll be able to get those night shots when the weather is a little bit better. Alright, so I'm not seeing a user manual here. Not sure. Maybe it's down in the bottom here. Let's see if it's in the box. Yep, we got the user manual down in the box. You've got a nice little threading metal piece here, so you can easily thread the lanyard through there. Very nice. USB Type-C to Type-C charging cable. If I can grab the user manual, being a pain in the butt here. There we go. Now this is a multi-language user manual. Now the specs are kind of small, so I'm going to go ahead and post them on the screen for you now. Front and back of the manual. Very nice, well detailed. It is on the small side. Now if you need more time to read that, go ahead and pause screen. Otherwise, we're going to continue on. As you can see there, it's 3600 lumens that this little guy can do. Pretty amazing. So now let's go ahead and take a look here at the light. There it is. Very compact. Very surprised on how small this is. Almost looks like it would easily go on a weapon, but it does not. It's got that flat finish here. This here is an OLED display. Got a rear button here as well. It is locked out. Now you can table stand that if you need. There's the lanyard hole here. Definitely has a futuristic design to this. But it's not going to roll off the table. So if you're needing a light that's not going to roll away from you. Well, this here is a Type-C charging port there. Style and design on this is nice. Definitely is different looking. And my understanding is you've got the regular LED here and a UV LED. Now this is a sealed unit, so the battery is internal and you cannot remove it. And the machining and finish on this is very nice. No issues. Okay, so now let's go ahead and take a look here at that smooth reflector. Now that's running the Cree XHP50.3 LED. There's no dome on that. Now there's a protection piece. I probably should remove that. Let's see it a little bit better. So as you can see here, that's the UV LED there. Okay. Well, normally I would open it up, but this one you can't. So let's go ahead and go straight to the UI. Now to unlock the light, it is simply 1, 2, 3. Now the light is unlocked. Now we can turn it on. Very low light output there. Battery level indicator there as well. Turn it off, turn it back on the side switch, but if you want to advance the light output, you're going to press down and hold the rear switch. There we go. Take a look here at the beam. Nice hot spot there, a little bit of bleeding here, but still has a little bit of a cutoff, but not real sharp. I'm going to continue to press and hold. Go next level, and each time you raise it up, the level goes up on the OLED. It's 1200 lumens. A little bit of a PWM on there, pretty typical. You got 2000 lumens on that. Wow. Impressive. And then back down. Now if you do want to get the highest output, you're going to double click on the tail switch, 1, 2, get you 3600 lumens. Impressive. And we'll step it back down to the lower light outputs. Now you'll see this battery kind of drop down in the outputs, especially when you're really pulling it hard. Normal. So now we're going to go ahead and turn on the UV. We're just going to double click the button there. You can really see it. That's really an intense beam. Nice, says UV there. See the beam? Nice beam here. It's more of a flood beam, but see there? Pretty intense. Nice to have. Click that one time. There's only one light output on that. So now we're going to do the rear switch. Turns it on same way. Press down and hold. I'll show you. Try to get a good picture of this as you go through the light outputs. So some PWM on there. It's pretty typical. And that's all there is to this light. Very nice size for EDC. Compact. I wish they had a clip for this. Would have been nice. Be able to just lock it in your pocket on the side so it doesn't fall down into it. But if not, you can put it in your jacket pocket with no problems. Feels rugged. No issues there. I like that display. Okay. Well, let's wait no further. Let's take this little BL50 outside. See how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the Imalent BL50. Let's go and get started. 5 lumens. Start off with. Good for up close. Kind of give you an idea. You got about 15-20 feet usable light, that is. Let's go to the next level, see how it does. Nice large hotspot on this, 65 feet there to that tree. Water spout, 38 feet. Really cold out here this morning. Had some horrible storms hitting us for the last month. A lot of damage. So, in between that, fixing up stuff and repairing stuff, do these night shots now that I've got some very nice clear weather for now. Let's go to the next level here, see how it does. Nice combination beam. Does have a large hotspot though. And it is making the tree of life there, 138 feet. There, so that's nice. Mist is kind of rolling in periodically and then passes by. Now, if you have any questions or doubts about my testing area, I have a link below the video. Check it out. I show all the distances, how far they are. There's the next light level. 1200 lumens. Now this is not going to have a large amount of throw, but hotspot is quite large. Before and after here. And let's go ahead and do it here on the Tree of Life. There's 2000 lumens. Tight spill, but large hotspot. .238 feet there. It's making that there, so that's pretty good range. It's making it across the park to those playgrounds there. It's about 21 degrees out tonight. A lot of ice on the ground. So now let's go ahead and do turbo on the Tree of Life. See how it does. Nice. Just a larger, I could see the first palm tree there. So the large hot spot can light up a huge area at once. More still kind of leans towards the flood, but this is definitely a combination beam. Making it across the park to those playgrounds now. Tree line, fence line. Nice. Okay, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Impressive performance for such a compact light. The only thing is, could be an issue is it smooth on the body, so you could have a tendency to drop it. Definitely want to handle this one with a little more care than you normally would a flashlight, maybe from the bottom. But nice feature-packed light. Now, some people don't like the internal batteries, and I kind of agree with them, but it's not really a negative point because 3 to 5 years should be able to get a lot of use out of this little light. In the meantime, Type-C charging, quickly get this thing charged back up in a moment's notice. The UV is quite intense. It's got a good beam, even from 10-15 feet. This thing is doing really well. Now the tail switch, this one here is a little easy to accidentally turn on and turn off, but it's nice that you cannot advance the light any higher in output, so can't accidentally turn it on high and burn a hole in your pocket. That LED is a very nice LED. Cree is known worldwide, so no issues. Now this thing does get really toasty, so on the lower light outputs it does okay, no issues, but 2000 lumens and the 3600 lumens, this thing is going to get really toasty, but it's going to cycle down fairly quickly, so handle it with care. Use it on the lower light outputs, you should be fine. It's got a nice combination beam on it though. Okay, well, I want to thank Imalent for sending me this BL50 to review. Now, if this is something you're interested in getting, I will leave a link down in the description box below, including my special discount code that will help you save some money on this kit, just in case you're interested in getting it. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that thanks button. Donate to my channel if you wish. Otherwise, you can please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these all new, brand new Imalent flashlights to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care. Well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness.